Hello students, today we are going to study subunit inequality from unit number 16, preparation for algebra, standard 5th, subject mathematics. At first, let us study the concept of inequality with an example. Here we have given two expressions. Here first we have find out the values of these two expressions. The first expression is 6 plus 9. We get the answer is 15. And the second expression is 4 into 2. We get the answer is 8. Here we see that the values of given two expressions are not equal. That means these two expressions are also not equal. We can show this by using a symbol. First expression 6 plus 9 and second expression 4 into 2. These two expressions are not equal. By using this symbol, we can show that these two expressions are not equal, or values of these two expressions are not equal. The representation of two expressions like this by using a symbol is known as inequality. Here we also see that these two values are not equal. The value of first expression is greater than the value of second expression. Here these two expressions are not equal. We can show this with the help of the symbol. Also we can show this with the help of the symbols like less than, greater than. So the values of two expressions are not equal. That means one of them is greater or smaller than the other. To show this, we can use these symbols. Now let us study how we can show inequality by using these symbols with examples. Here question is given to us, that is, fill in the blanks with the right symbol from less than, equal or greater than. Here first example is given to us. First example is 9 plus 7, empty box is given here, and second expression is 15 divided by 3. So we have find out the values of these two expressions. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16 and 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Here the values are not equal. The value of first expression is greater than the value of second expression. We can write this. The 16 is greater than that of the 5. So the expression 9 plus 7 is greater than the second expression 15 divided by 3. So in this way we can use the symbol in the first example. Now see the second example. In the second example we have given here first expression 5 into 6, empty box is given here, and second expression is 10 into 3. We have find out the values of these two expressions. 5 into 6 is equal to 30 and 10 into 3 is equal to 30. So we see here the values of two expressions are equal. So we can write the sign of equality between these two expressions. In this way, we can use the symbols in the empty boxes of given expressions. Now see the another example. Question is given to us. Fill in the blanks in the expressions with the proper number. The expression is given to us. 5 into 3 is equal to, in bracket box, minus 5. We have to calculate first the value of this expression. 5 into 3, we get the answer is equal to 15. Here, we remember that the value of first expression and the value of second expression must be equal. So, we have to write the number in the box in such a way that when we subtract 5 from this number, we get the answer is 20. So, we know that if we subtract 5 from the 20, we get the answer is equal to 15. So, we have to put the number 20 in this empty box and we can write the answer 5 into 3 is equal to 20 minus 5. We can check our answer. 5 into 3 is equal to 15 and 20 minus 5 is also 15. These two values are equal. Now, next example. In this example, we have given the expression 15 divided by 7 and second expression is 6 plus empty box. The first expression, we have to find out the value of first expression. 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. So here, we remember that the value of our second expression must be greater than 8. So, we can tally this expression with numbers. That is, if we put 1 in the box, we get the answer is 7. But 7 is less than that of the 8. So, we put instead of 1, 2, we get the answer is 8. This answer is equal to the first expression. So, we have to put next number, that is 3. We get the answer is 6 plus 3, 9. Here we see that the value 9 is greater than that of the 8. So, we can put the number 3 in this empty box. But here also, if we put the value 4, that is greater than that of the 3, we get the answer, that is 10. This value is also greater than that of the 8. So, here we know that if we put the number greater than that of the 3, that is 4, 5, 6, so on, the value is greater than that of the 8. So, we can write any number from the 3. So, we complete this expression as 56 divided by 7 and second expression is our 6 plus empty box. We can write 3, 4, 5, any number. Here we write the 3 and complete this expression. So, the value of first expression is less than that of the value of second expression. So, in this way, today we study the concept of inequality. Thank you.